What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. New Tactical here. I just want to give you a look into my DIY EDC knife maintenance sort of kit. First off, America! This is one of those organizational packs, the knockoff of the Maxpedition. Molly, snaps, shit of that nature. Little pocket in the front. I don't have much in here, but I don't think you really need much. Some redundancies. First, I have a little screwdriver. It's got Torx, Phillip, slot it in there in case something comes loose, and just tighten it up real fast. In the back pocket here, I have a coaster. It's not very abrasive, but I think it might be good for honing. If not, I'm going to get that Lansky. Lansky has a sharpener. You've seen it, it's the box that does the angle things. They sell replacement rods for that. So I was thinking about just getting one of the replacement rods and sticking that in here to replace this. Of course, a DMT coarse sharpening credit card thing, in case I really fuck up my blade. Some sewing oil for lube, just the tip. A strop kind of thing. I got the leather from Tandy Leather. Just did some leather burning on here. Very bad leather burning. Dyed it with wood stain, and just colored it in with marker. It's not supposed to look pretty. It's just a little experimental project. Paracord on here to loop around and feed it through, which will hold tension, so I can strop. Over here, we have Edc Knife Life and a Speedy Sharp that I got from SOS. So Step 1 Survival. This does it all. Sharpens and hones, but I feel like redundancies are kind of important. If I don't have the time to kind of bust this out, or the space, I could just pop this bad boy open and give it a couple quick swipes. Here I have 2000 grit sandpaper for something, I don't know. But yeah, that's it. Anything you guys think I should add, take out, or whatever? I just thought it was a pretty cool idea to have sort of a knife maintenance kit, being that we all carry knives. And speaking of knives, there's a new YouTuber, Edc, ARK-EDC. I'll put a link to his channel below. I just want to give him a shout out. You can go check out his page, his channel. He's new. He's got like 3 videos and like a handful of subscribers. So I'm just trying to introduce him to the knife EDC community, and hopefully you guys reach out and give him some love. So thanks for checking this out, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.